So we had to do this over multiple days. So the first thing I'm going to do is wipe all this down with brake cleaner. Get it all nice and clean. Make sure there's no oil like right in here. And get that all clean before we go on to the next step. We're going to do that off camera. Also, we're going to spray the gasket with copper sealer on both sides. It is a Victor gasket. I debated on, I have two. I have the Victor and I have the all copper. The all copper is beautiful, but I've heard they're hard to get to seal up. So we're going to go with the Victor, which is paper on both sides, and try that. Maybe a mistake, but that's what we're going with. So we're going to spray it on both sides, put it down, and then see, and then put the cylinder head on top. There it is, all cleaned up. Alright, so we have it here. A little concerned about some of these spots right in here. Hopefully it will kind of seal up. I'm going to put this on down. At least that's the plan. And if I was smart, I'd probably take this out, but I'm not the smartest person in the world. So there we go. Now we got to put the cylinder head on. Alright, so we got our cylinder head here. Try not to crush our fingers. Oh, that was a lovely noise. Trying to get this down in there. I'll have to get a little hammer, soft blow hammer. I did clean the surface of the cylinder head before I put it down there. There it is, it's down on there. There we go. Looks pretty good, don't it? I'm hoping that gasket will hold up for us. If it doesn't, I guess I'm pulling this all back out. It is what it is at this point. Take our nut. Run it down. Hand tight. Now they recommend a different order than torque for putting these nuts on. So they recommend 1, 2, 3, where's 4? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then 15. Now that's not what you torque it to. And now we'll go to our next one, which is number 2, which is this one. Alright, next up is 5 and 6. So if this content's helping, go ahead, smash that like and subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate it. It really does help the channel. Now before we put that down, we're going to clean that up just a hair because we got stuff all over the place. And I don't want that necessarily all over everything. Alright, fair enough. Now we're going to put this on. Just says slap it on. 9, 10, 11 is over here. Alright, now we're going to put this bad boy up on here. Alright, there we go. I think it's about time to change these gloves too. We'll do it after these three. Okay, so this is the torque sequence. We're going to torque to 65 foot-pounds because it's 60 to 70 is the spec. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then 15 up here at the top. So that's what we're going to torque down to. I have it right here. I've got it posted right on top of my hood so that I can follow it as I go. So here we go. First one up. We already got the torque wrench set. Because these are hand tightened, we're going to have to give some extra turns here with the torque wrench, but that's okay. There's the first one. Second one's back here. And so sometimes you just have to give it a little friction when you're starting out to help get to where you need to. So I'm going to add a little extension so I can kind of get up and get some space. So we're back at it here. You just need, sometimes you just don't have the right space to get a good turn. Again, we're going to give it just a touch of friction. Alright, number 9. Let's get it done. Number 10. So we're going to take our extension out because it's tight up in here. And hopefully it will kind of fit. Number 12 is right here. Yeah, it just keeps on wanting to turn. Alright, now 13. It's back here. Come on, drop down on there. There she goes. Alright, there's 13. There's 14. This is number 14. It's gotta get close. Alright, number 15, we're gonna need the extensions. Which is that air filter, or oil filter. There we go. It's all tight. Let's just go through these one more time. There's 1. So if you don't know, don't leave your torque wrench to where it was. You always want to put it down to stop. It's an important step. Okay, we got to hook our vacuum line back up. Next up, we're going to put our spark plugs in, and that will probably be about it. I do need to flush out all the cooling channels before I run it, so that I don't get stuff into my radiator. And so we're going to try to get that done tonight. I'm just running out of time, so we are working as quickly as possible here. So we have labeled all of our spark plugs before we took them out. So we're going to take this paper out, take the tape off, and just screw them down in there. Alright, we got number 1 in, put number 2 in. Number 3. Alright, we're going to torque them down. About 30 foot-pounds is what I'm using. Alright, that one's just being difficult to get to. Come on. Alright, that's that. Now we're going to look at our wires. They're all labeled. Come down on there. Alright, we're also going to hook up our throttle here. It's not wanting to go down in there. We're going to have to straighten it out. Alright, flatten it out. There we go. That's what we need. Alright, to flush, we're going to just put a hose down in here, let it run out the water pump side, and just flush out all this stuff, because I'm sure there's junk in there from all the fixes we do, but we'll do that off camera. Alright, till next time, I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all take care. It's time for supper.